Hello class 3rd, welcome you all in the science class. Today we will study the part first of chapter 7, that is forms of matter, solids, liquid and gases. So let's start with the introduction. We are surrounded by number of things. हमारी सराउंडिंग में बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. These things are present in different forms like solids, liquids and gases. अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये सारी चीजें जो हमारे सराउंडिंग में प्रेजेंट हैं वो या तो सॉलिड फॉर्म में होती हैं या लिक्विड फॉर्म में होती हैं और या फिर गैसेस फॉर्म में होती हैं. In fact, the same things may have different forms. Actually, children, if you are observing anything in the solid form, maybe that it can be converted into the liquid and maybe the liquid converted into the gases. It means the same things may be available in the different forms. For example, water can be found in the form of liquid, solid as well as gas. The best example to understand that the same things may have different forms is water, because it can be present in the liquid form, that is water which we drink. The same water can be converted into the ice when you keep it in the freezer. So the same water which was in the liquid state can be converted into the solid form, that is ice state. And if we will heat the water, then the same water that was in liquid form can be converted into the gas or steam. That's why it was told that many times that in fact the same things may have different forms. It means कि किसी भी मैटर की जो 3 states होती हैं वो एक से दूसरे में कन्वर्ट की जा सकती हैं. See the picture. The first picture is showing the ice, which is the solid form. It can be converted into the liquid, water, and the same water can be converted into the gas, that is steam. Now we will study that what is matter. So anything that has mass and occupies space is called the matter. It means anything, कुछ भी जिसका अपना मास होता है. मास means you can say weight होता है. And occupies space, जो स्पेस को घेरती है, जगह लेती है, is called the matter. Everything around us is matter. So if you will imagine, you will come to know कि हमारे सराउंडिंग में जो भी कुछ हमें दिखता है उसके अंदर ये दोनों ही क्वालिटी होती है. इट मीन्स उसका मास भी होता है और उसका स्पेस भी ऑक्युपाई करती है. इट मीन्स दोज मटेरियल्स हैव the mass as well as they occupies the space. So the examples are book, pencil, chair, desk, water, air. These are some examples of matter around us. So children, easily you can see all these matters around you. Can you name 5 other matters around you? Can you think another than these matters? So imagine and count any 5 other matters around you. So the conclusion is that matter can exist in 3 states: solids, liquid and gas. About these 3 states we are going to study in this chapter. Properties of matter. Properties means you can say the qualities. So if there are 3 states of matter, so we will study one by one about them. So the first state of matter is solid. So first of all, we will study the properties of solids. It means solids की क्या क्या क्वालिटी होती है, उसके क्या क्या फीचर्स होते हैं. So solids have a definite shape and size. Solid की जो शेप होती है और साइज होती है, both are definite. Definite का मतलब होता है fixed. It cannot be changed. They remain the same even when we change their containers. Suppose that any solid is kept in any container and now we are taking out all the solids from the container and keeping the same solids in another container. So what will happen? The solid's shape and size will not change. It means we cannot change the solid's shape and size if we change its container. It means अगर हम किसी कंटेनर से सॉलिड को निकाल के दूसरे कंटेनर में रखते हैं तो भी सॉलिड का शेप और साइज वही रहता है. सॉलिड्स डू नॉट फ्लो. सॉलिड फ्लो नहीं करते. जैसे वाटर लिक्विड है, उसे हम कहीं पर भी गिराते हैं तो वो फ्लो कर जाता है, मीन्स बह जाता है. इट डज नॉट हैपेंस विद द सॉलिड. लेकिन सॉलिड के केस में, सॉलिड स्टेट में ऐसा नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल्स आर अ टॉय, एन इरेजर एंड अ कंप्यूटर आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सॉलिड. सो चिल्ड्रन, in the picture the three materials in the picture the three solids are made. Now suppose कि क्या इसे हम एक प्लेस से उठा के दूसरी प्लेस पे रखते हैं या किसी दूसरे कंटेनर में रखते हैं तो क्या इनकी शेप चेंज होती है? नो. अगर एक कंप्यूटर है तो उसका शेप कंप्यूटर का ही होता है. अगर एक इरेजर है तो वो इरेजर का ही शेप लेके रखती है. टॉय का भी शेप चेंज नहीं होता because these all matters are present in the solid state and solid cannot change the shape and size and it does not flow. Now we will study about an activity based on the properties of solid. Take some pencils in a pencil stand. Pencil stand means the stand in which we can keep the pencils. So we have to take some pencils. Note their shapes and sizes. So we have to note down their shapes and sizes. Means कि उसका आकार कैसा है, वो कितनी लंबी है, हम इन चीजों को मेजर करके नोट कर लेंगे. Now keep these pencils in your box. अब इन पेंसिल्स को हमें बॉक्स में रखना है. Again observe their shapes and sizes. अब हम अगेन उसकी शेप मीन्स पेंसिल्स की शेप और साइजेस को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. डिड यू सी एनी चेंज? थिंक योरसेल्फ चिल्ड्रन कि क्या ऐसा करने से पेंसिल की शेप और साइज चेंज हो जाएगी? डेफिनेटली नो. वी विल कम टू नो दैट द साइज एंड शेप विच वॉज ऑब्जर्व्ड of the pencils when it was kept in the pencil stand will be the same when these pencils will be kept in the pencil box or any other box. So it shows that the shape and sizes does not change of the matter when it is in solid state. Now we will study about the properties of liquids. Liquids do not have a definite shape. This is the difference between the solid and liquid, that solid do not have that solid have a definite shape. Solid का shape definite होता है but liquid do not have the definite shape. Liquid का shape definite नहीं होता. They take the shape of the container they are kept in. हम liquid को जिस भी कंटेनर में रखें वो उसी की shape की हो जाती है. See in the picture. In the first picture the water is kept in the glass. The same water is kept in a jug in second picture and then the same water is kept in another container. But you will come to know that water is same but its shapes are regularly getting changed. So we can come on the conclusion that the liquids do not have the definite shape. They take the shape of the container they are kept in. वो जिस भी कंटेनर में रखे जाते हैं उसी का शेप ले लेते हैं. Liquids flow easily. Liquids, कोई भी liquid हो, may be oil, may be water, may be milk or any other, it can be flow easily. ये बड़ी आसानी से बह जाता है. Water, milk, ink, juice, these all are the examples of liquids. Now we will read about the activity 2, which is based on the properties of water. Take some water in a glass. Observe its shape. See the first picture, it is about the same. In the glass, there is kept some water. You have to observe its shape. Now pour the water into the jug. अब इसी पानी को जो कि ग्लास में था तो ग्लास के शेप का था, सेम वाटर को हम एक जग में उड़ेल देते हैं। अगेन ऑब्जर्व इट शेप्स। अब उसी वाटर का शेप फिर से ऑब्जर्व करना है। वी विल ऑब्जर्व कि वही वाटर जो ग्लास में ग्लास शेप का था, जग में आके वो जग के शेप का हो गया। नाउ पोअर इट इनटू द टब। अब हमें इसी वाटर को टब में पोअर मीन्स उड़ेल देना है। एंड ऑब्जर्व इट शेप। अब इसका शेप ऑब्जर्व करो। डिड यू सी एनी चेंज? क्या आपको कोई चेंज दिखाई देता है? So the answer is yes. It will be the change of its shape. So we can say that because it is water and it is the liquid state, it is the property of liquids that it takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. So children, it was enough for today. Thank you.